Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grabs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2013 Lexus ES350. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 268 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which you can also, it's a shiftable 6-speed, so you can go like that and shift on your own. You have a backup camera. I like the wood trim on the steering wheel. Seats are pretty nice. This one's in really good shape. It has 102,000 miles and the interior looks pretty much like a brand new car. So whoever had this car before took really good care of it. You have this pretty simple infotainment system using this controller. It's pretty, pretty old system, but I guess it does the job. Yeah, I like the big Lexus logo on these steering wheels. They look cool. You have wood trim in this car. I like the shifter. You have sport, eco, and normal mode. Let's walk around this Lexus. Chrome wheels. Projector bulb headlights. It's a black exterior. Here are the rear seats. As I said, the seats look immaculate. This looks like a new car. I can't believe it has 102,000 miles on it. Very nice condition for this Lexus. You have dual outlet exhaust. Pretty standard design. I mean, it's a very inoffensive design. Just looks like a regular sedan. Nothing too crazy. Just a nice daily driving sedan, I guess. You also have parking sensors. Let's open the trunk. Pretty spacious. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. All right. Steering feels nice. Engine sounds good. We've also got some decent pickup too. Yeah, it actually accelerates pretty well. Seems like when the sunshade's open, and you can actually hear some wind noise. When I closed that sunshade, it went away. Yeah, very nice. Put your foot down, this thing will get up and go. And it's actually really smooth. Like, as I said, this one 102,000 miles and it feels this smooth, and the interior looks this new. This is really nice. This is a very nice pre-owned vehicle. It's really quiet in here too. It's nice. This is definitely like a nice car for anyone who wants something smooth and comfortable and just like a normal car to drive every day to and from work. For someone who doesn't care about cars, who just needs some transportation, they would really like this car. Anyone would, to be honest. And just blends right in. It's a nice car. I like it. normal mode. I'm sure it's gonna feel pretty much the same. And I like how in the gauge cluster, depending on the mode you're in, there's like it like flashes a little. It's like a little light on top. If it's sport mode, it'll be red. If it's normal, it'll be blue, and then eco, I'm assuming, will be green, or it's also blue in eco. But yeah, blind spots are pretty good. Sunroof is actually has some decent size. It's a decently sized sunroof, so if it's a sunny day, you could let the sun in. Center console storage is decent too. Also, you do have heated seats. I couldn't figure out where they were. They're right over here. It's like a little dial. But overall, this is a nice 2013 Lexus. It's in great condition for the miles, drives well, and it's very comfortable. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice pre-owned vehicles like this Lexus.